love who is here. Every day, be at my side to light and guard, to rule and guide me. Class, before you sit down, please pick up the pizzas under your chairs and arrange your chairs. Done? Okay, please sit down. Class, is there anyone absent today? None. Very good. I'm glad that you are all here today, class. Now, before we proceed to our next discussion, we will be having a short recap about our last topic we discussed. Can someone talk about our last topic we discussed? There's a link to give you some idea.
That continually repeated musical phrase or repeat.
Very good. And give me some example.
The famous canon in B by Pachelbel.
Okay, very good. Class, before we start our new topic, we will be having an activity first. All you need to do is to identify the name in the following body parts. So, class, can you read this?
Mom!
Who wants to go in front and name and face these body parts? Progeny, can you come here, name and face these body parts? Here?
Here.
Progeny, what is the use of mouth? For eating. Very good. So next is, class, can you read this?
Nose!
So, who wants to go in front and name and face these body parts? Here? Faye, can you come here and name these body parts?
A nose, Mom.
Faye, what is the use of nose?
To smell.
Very good. And next is, class, can you read?
Eyes.
Eyes. Who wants to go in front? Name and face these body parts. Crystalline, can you come here? Eyes, ma'am. Crystalline, what is the use of eyes?
For seeing, ma'am.
Very good. And lastly, class, can you read?
Ears.
Who wants to go in front and name and face these body parts here? Jacqueline, can you come here? Jacqueline, what is the use of ears? Very good. Class, can you all read this? Body parts, we have the
Eyes. Nose. Ears.
and
Mouth.
very good.
So class, is ears are important?
Yes.
Why are ears is important? Yes, Jane?
Mom, we use is to listening sounds.
Yes, that's correct. Ears are important to identify sounds. Are you familiar with this picture, class?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Nose.
Yes, this is a nose. This is a nose. This nose symbol is defined as a sound in music. So sound is everywhere. They are composed of vibration transmitted through the air.
So next, are you familiar with these symbols?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This symbol called rest. Silence is absence. We do not produce sounds on the silence symbol. Instead, we use sh for rest. Rest are used symbols of silence. Class, what do we use to hear in a different sound? Anyone? Yes, Jade? Mom, ears. Yes, very good.
Now we will be having a group activity called Chinese. I will going to divide the class into two groups. First, I will go in three direction. The starting player will choose a word in the box and they need to act out. The player will keep this to themselves and they are not allowed to speak or open their mouth during their acting. The player who guessed it correctly will face in the blackboard if it is sound or silence. Do you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
For us to know who will pick first, let's have a
go.
First player. Ikaw muna.
Go.
Singing. Then. Sound. Next.
Drawing. Sound. Shouting.
Talking. Sleeping.
Watching.
Laughing.
Listening.
Thinking.
Reciting.
Group 1, can you read the action that you face in under the sound
Singing. Shouting.
and under the silence?
Sleeping. Listening. And thinking.
Very good. Now, group 2, can you read the action that you face under the sound
Talking. Laughing. Reciting.
under the silence?
Drawing. Watching.
Very good.
So, class, did you enjoy our game?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what have we learned for today? Yes, Roderick?
Ma'am, about the sound and silence.
Very good. So, how do you distinguish between sound and silence? Yes, Faith? Sound is something that we can hear and silence is not. So, do we understand